Hi guys, today I will show you the process on how to make how-to videos using LightMV. LightMV is an online video maker that lets you create a productive how-to videos without having any hassle. It contains of several video templates to choose from. To start using this program, simply go to the official site of the program at www.lightmv.com and then hit the Get Started button. Choose your desired video template, then click on the Select button. Next, hit the plus sign icon to import file from your computer. Customize your video by adding effects on it. You can also change the default text at the beginning and ending of the video. Once all set, hit the Produce button to process your video. Now, let us see the result. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching.